Friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and preparing to the code interview. Today problem is 2785 sort vowels in a string. Given a zero-indexed string C, permute C to get a new string T such that all consonants remain in their original places and the vowels must be sorted in the non-decreasing order of their ASCII values. Let's solve it. I think we can solve it quite straightforward. So first thing, we need to define a variable contains all vowels. So create it and put all lower and uppercase vowels. Next thing, we need to collect all vowels from the string S. To get it, use next expression. C for C in a string S if current character in this variable vowels. Next thing, we need to sort the vowels. So we can use method sort because in Python this method sort lists with strings by ASCII values by default, so that we need. Last thing, we need to create a result variable T and it empty string by default. Return it, and we need to check all characters in a string S and copy every consonant in T, and for vowels we need to put next vowel from the variable V. To check vowel position, we need to some index, for instance I and 0 by default, and let's write the loop. For C in S, if C in vowels, so in this case let's copy next character from V of I, increment I variable, so increment index by 1, also just copy character C to the T variable. That's it. Let's check the tests. Test passed. Let's submit it. It works quite effective. We get a simple algorithm. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.